Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make green goddess dressing. This dressing originated in 1923 San Francisco at the Palace Hotel, where the executive chef, in honor of a famous actor named George Arliss, who happened to be in a play at the time called The Green Goddess, created this dressing using a whole bunch of green herbs. So here we are today. We're going to make ours with parsley, tarragon, scallion, and I'm using freeze-dried chives because the chives in the grocery store did not look too great. I've never used freeze-dried chives before, so this is fantastic. I just tasted them. They taste wonderful. I'm so excited that we have this because recently I have been having trouble finding really good chives, so this will be a good time to test it out. Mayonnaise, sour cream, and white wine vinegar. Let me get my mise en place together and I will show you how to make it. Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. Anchovies were part of the original recipe too, and we only need 2. Anchovies has all that salty goodness in it, so we're just going to use 2. We're going to be using our food processor for the recipe, so here's all of our herbs, and we've got them ready to go in. We're going to start off with our 1/2 cup of parsley, and our 2 tablespoons of freeze-dried chives, 2 tablespoons of scallions, our 2 tablespoons of tarragon leaves, that's so beautiful, and our 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Let's get that in. And I just want to pulse it a couple times first, and then I'll add in our 2 anchovies. Make sure you stop the machine and scrape down the sides, because sometimes when it's so light, they don't get chopped up so much, so make sure you do scrape down the sides and then pulse it until you've got it chopped much smaller. It's getting chopped now, so we're going to add in our 2 anchovies and process until that's all chopped up. To this, we're going to add our 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and start pulsing it again. Our last thing to go in is a 1/2 cup of sour cream, and we're gonna pulse this until all of those green bits get chopped up really nice and fine. Here is our beautiful green goddess salad dressing. It's absolutely delicious, and I have this lovely salad with spinach and watercress, a couple of anchovies. Since I already opened that can, we use them up. A beautiful green salad with avocado, scallions, so let's drizzle some on, and I'll tell you how fantastic this is. This dressing is so wonderful. The tarragon in here just brightens everything up. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. This was really simple. Our green goddess dressing. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.